Liberation is freedom from meanings. If we take that statement, freedom from meanings stands for stoppage of meanings, or the meanings not affecting us either positively or negatively.
We have to realize there is nothing but meaning. There is only meaning around us, and all the meaning are arbitrary. Because of the way I give a arbitrary meaning, a subject is created and an object is created. So there is nothing but meaning, and all meaning is arbitrary. But when we give meaning, we don't really see it as meaning. We see it as real. What the meaning shows us, we see it as real. Understanding there is only meaning and there is no reality behind the meaning, apart from the meaning, puts the meaning in the right place. And we give it what value it deserves, just as consensus reality. Just for within a system, that system is whole reality itself. That it's just conventional. It's not really real.
It beats me. If you can please come to that point again and explain, I'll be thankful.
Good. Yeah, your question was, does freedom from meaning imply meaning stops, or still will there be meaning? That was your question.
Yeah.
So before we get there, we have to realize there is, in existence, in reality, there is nothing other than meaning.
Okay.
Do you get that?
Yeah. I'm clear up to that.
Okay. So moksha means this. Then there is initially we understood it as there is no samsara, freedom from samsara, like all these objects and meaning is gone, and the I also vanishes. There is nothing there. That was said because the non-duality of the moksha and the samsara, if initially explained, then the journey itself wouldn't start. To explain, we need some duality. So, to contrast it, moksha was contrasted with samsara. But there is no such thing as moksha, there is only meaning. Even when you understand there is no meaning, it is just another meaning. So there is no duality between meaning and absence of meaning. Even absence of meaning is just another meaning. And meaning means duality, samsara. And moksha means understanding non-duality. But when non-duality is understood, it is understood to be non-dual even from duality. So there is no question of separating the state of no meaning from meaning. So whatever we are talking right now, which is the truth, is beyond the meaning, beyond the scope of logic. Doesn't mean there is something beyond the scope of logic. Even when I try to free you from meaning, you're trying to give it a new meaning.
Okay.
So it's very tricky. So whatever the gurus are teaching, it's not they are giving some knowledge. It's just the different ways we try to interpret and get struck. So there is no one teaching, because that teaching will always be translated into a new meaning.
Is it a riddle?
Whatever they are saying looks like riddles because the truth is not logical. Meaning and logical means the same thing. So freedom is freedom from logic or freedom from meaning. So in a riddle, we are in a state of no meaning. But we try to solve the riddle. If we solve the riddle, then meaning comes. So we are talking logically, using language from which we should be free. So how is that possible? So they talk in the language of riddles.